Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about what to do when your Frigidaire dishwasher won't start. Watch the video until the end to learn how to do this and more. The following are some of the reasons why your Frigidaire dishwasher won't start. Number 1, a faulty control board. Number 2, a faulty thermal fuse. Or number 3, a damaged door switch. Here's how to fix the issue. Replace the control board. If the control board is faulty, your dishwasher will not start. This is because the electrical components in your dishwasher won't be powered. Find your dishwasher control panel on the inner door panel. Then, examine it for any signs of damage or burning. If it is faulty, remove it and replace it with a new one. If this doesn't work, replace the thermal fuse. If your dishwasher's thermal fuse is blown or broken, the dishwasher won't start. Examine the thermal fuse and look for any signs of damage. It's usually positioned on the control board. If the thermal fuse is faulty, install a functioning one. If this doesn't work, replace the door switch. If the door switch is damaged, your Frigidaire dishwasher won't start, even if the door is shut. To fix this, confirm if the door switch is functioning using a multimeter. If it lacks continuity, opt for a new door switch. So, there you have it. Follow these steps to fix a Frigidaire dishwasher that won't start. Thanks for watching. Till next time.